it's Natasha, and this is my second tutorial on badges. And now we're going to look at ways in which we can award people Credly badges. Well, you can do it straight from Credly. If the recipient of your badge is already a Credly member, you can type their name here. And you see it recognizes me, but I've already tried this and I can't award myself a badge, so bad luck there. Or you can add a recipient, and of course you can add a recipient that's not a Credly member by writing their first name, their last name, their email address, and then sending the credit straight to their email address. So this is one way. Another way is to do it in Moodle, which is what we really want to do here. So here I am in Opera Teach, our course. The editing is turned on. Now I'm not going to lie to you, I have already added a badge and it was not an easy process. It took me ages. I will now try to add another badge, so to show you how I did it. Right, there are some places where you can't do it. You can't click to the Credly badges block and then click on manage badges, because then nothing happens. I don't know why. And you can't do it here. I don't know why. You have to go to the bottom of the page. And here you will click on badges. You will click on, not on manage badges, but on add a new badge. And then we will wait a little. And here we will create a badge. Let's see how. Okay, here I have written some things already. Opera Teacher 2, because there is already an Opera Teacher badge. Awarded with gratitude for participation in Opera Teach is the description. So my criteria here is that you participate in the course in any way you choose. And now we're going to choose a file. Choose file. And this time I'm going to choose this. Save as. Opera Teacher Badge 2, choose license Creative Commons, upload file. There you go. So now I need to look at badge expiry, never. That is okay. I think everything is filled in the first place, in the first page. I click on Create Badge. And then I choose the criteria for the badge. Add badge criteria. So notice that I can here, what do I have? I have the overview, badge details. Look at how beautiful it is. And then I have edit details. Edit details, I can go back and edit the details, I can change the badge, criteria. So, I can add badge criteria. I can choose manual issue by role, which is what I chose last time. I can choose course completion or activity completion. So, course completion this time, just to change things. Minimum grade required. And then description. But I think, because it's a bit involved, what does course completion mean? I would have to sit down and review which sections in the course you should do. I'm going to stick to manual issue by role. So I'm going to give both the manager and the course creator rights. This creation is complete when any of the selected roles awards the badge, so not all of us. Finally, descriptions. Here I can go and describe the badge a little bit. And then I would just need to click save. But since we already have one badge, I'm going to click cancel. And criteria for this badge have not, so I haven't canceled the whole process, sorry. Then I have to go through this process until the end, and I will delete this badge later. Okay. Okay. And it says this badge is awarded for participation in Opera Teach, and now I go and click on save. The badge is currently not available to users. Enable access if you want users to earn this badge. If I enable access, then I will not be able to edit this anymore and change the criteria. So it says here, this will make your badge visible to users and allow them to start earning it. It is possible that some users already meet the badge criteria, etc., etc. Once the badge has been issued, it will be locked. Certain settings, including the criteria and expiry settings, can no longer be changed. Are you sure? I will cancel, because as I have already said, Opera Teach already has a badge that looks exactly like this one. So I am happy to stop here and to call it a day. It's been a long day, by the way. Finding out how to add badges is not so easy. So thank you for listening. And I know I said thank you for listening, but I'm here, I'm still here. I'm going to show you what manage badges now looks like. There are two badges. I can add a new one, and I can manage them in different ways. I can disable access, I can award it to someone, I can edit it, I can copy it, or I can kind of throw it away. And the second badge, I can, because it hasn't been enabled yet, I can again edit, I can copy, I can enable access, but instead, because this is a duplicate, I'm going to delete it. And let's see what happens. Would you like to delete the badge? Delete and keep existing issued badges. And there you go. There's only one badge now. And this time I'm signing off. So thank you for listening. Bye.